Usually the sticky rice or glutinous rice need to be soaked overnight for it to be fluffy and tender. But today, I am sharing a trick to get lovely fluffy sticky rice without soaking overnight. The total cooking time is 1 hour. Usually for Thai dessert like mango sticky rice, we use the khao niao kieu ngu or snake fang sticky rice. This particular Triple A Swan brand is really good as it is soft and fluffy. I bought it online and it weighed roughly 1 kilogram. Pour the desired amount of sticky rice into the heat-resistant basin. I am using 500 grams for today. Leave it aside. Boil about 1.5 liters of water. I am using the electric kettle, so it takes just around 1 minute for the water to boil. Once water boils, pour all the hot water directly on the sticky rice. If cooking more sticky rice, the ratio should be 500 grams of sticky rice to 1.5 liters of hot water. Stir to loosen the sticky rice and level it properly. And let it soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, give it a gentle stir as at this point, the rice grain have soaked up the water and become really fragile. See, the rice has expanded and it's a little stuck. Alright, we can now wash and cook it. Wash the rice over running water. Make sure to test the water first so you don't burn your hand. Drain out the water. And give it another rinse. Repeat for another 2 to 3 times until the water is no longer cloudy. Alright, now we can cook it. Layer a steamer with some muslin cloth or a steamer cloth. Traditionally, we use a bamboo basket and line it with banana leaf, not a few pandan leaves, and arrange around the side. This gives a lovely fragrance to the rice, which is optional. Add the rice in and make a large opening hole in the middle. This cooks the rice evenly. Cover the rice with the cloth. I have prepared a pot of boiling water over medium heat. Place the steamer over the pot and let it steam for 20 minutes. I am steaming my rice as I prefer sticky rice with dry individual grains. Growing up as a Thai, we often enjoy grabbing a handful of sticky rice and clamping them to enjoy with dry meats and some prik, just like my beef jerky recipe video. Can you boil the sticky rice or pop it in the rice cooker? Yes, sure you can. It all depends on how you like your rice. After 20 minutes, check on the rice. It is cooked and slightly wet now. Switch off the heat. Remove the steamer from the pot. Spread the rice around the steamer and let it air without covering it for a minute. Meanwhile, prepare a food warmer. I have lined mine with more pandan leaves to absorb the moisture and for fragrance. You can dump in the sticky rice or place it together with the cloth. I am lining the wall with some pandan leaves. This to absorb more moisture and prevent the rice from getting wet from the steam. Cover the lid and the rice is ready to be served. Here is how I love my sticky rice. Take a handful of it and press it together until a ball of rice is formed. Let's eat. Soft and sweet. The grains are still firm but tender on the inside. This will go super well with some beef jerky or prik and raw veggie. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.